This is my Samsung DVR for my security camera system. I had two failures. First failure came in, or actually three failures. The first one, the battery backup stopped working, so every time you lost power, you'd have to reset the time and date. The second failure was it did not detect a hard drive. And then the third failure is the thing wouldn't power on at all. Well, I checked the power pack, and you got 4 pins here, and I wasn't getting any voltage, no DC voltage at all in any of the pins. So I replaced the power pack, and that allowed it to power on, but it still could not get the hard drive to work. So I purchased a new hard drive, and I'm going to show you how to replace it in the battery backup. But first thing you do on the back side, there's 3 screws to remove. This is a pretty simple repair. It's very easy to do. Remove the 3 Phillips screwdrivers. In this case, it just slides back, and then you got to flex it and take it off. And by the way, this model number, there's a lot of them that are similar to this, so probably be similar in changing the hard drive, but it's an SDR5100N as in Nancy. And this was built in 2013, so we've got over 10 years of use out of it. Here's the backup battery. It's a 2032 battery, and it's just a simple watch battery. You pop it out and pop a new one in. And here's the hard drive. I've already removed the screw. There's a Phillips screw right there you remove. Right there. So you remove that Phillips screw, and you grab this plastic thing here. You got to pull up on it. When you pull up, you got to slide this whole case this way. It has a connection right here to the circuit board, so you have to be very careful. You want to just slide it easy. Pick up on it, and I just grab it and slide it, and then it disconnects. So put this to the side. Now we got to get it out of this black case. There's a screw here and a screw here, both Phillips. By the way, this is a hammerhead screwdriver. This thing has been a great tool. I think I bought it at Lowe's probably over 5 years ago. Has a lot of, it's pretty torquey for just a little cheap screwdriver. The light's not working right now, but it's got a light that's supposed to work. It's also got a thing, if you want to know if something's powered on, you push the lightning bolt symbol. Oh, there's the light. You push this and you get it up. And it lets you know if you have an electric live circuit or not. And then it's got a wire stripper here. But I think it was like $15 or something like that. But when I had carpal tunnel really bad, this came in handy. So you remove the 2 screws, and then you got to take this end where this connects to the circuit board, and you flex it out. You flex it out, and then you push the hard drive out. And you just put that to the side. This is a Seagate. It says Pipeline HD. It's 2,000 gigabytes, which is 2 terabytes. Model number is ST2000 VM003 is what it looks like. But I'll put it there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the new hard drive, and we'll go ahead and put it in. This one's identical. I bought it on eBay. They said it was new. It didn't come in a box, but it looks like it's new. But I did notice it has a date of 2019 and it's 2024. So if it was new, it's been sitting on the shelf for a while. It's identical to this one, except for it doesn't say Pipeline HD. So I'm hoping everything else is the same model number. This hard drive here, the one that went bad, has a date code of, it says 13306. And this one had a date, you could tell it was 2019. Okay, so part that connects to the circuit board slides in like this. Just flex those out, push that in, snaps in. And these two screws are a little bit different. They're silver colored, where the other screws are black coated. Okay, now we got those two screws in. Move it to the left, slide it into those slots, and then slowly push it into the circuit board where it goes in all the way. And then this hole here will line up. Sticker goes to the back, and it's got this flat area that slides into the front. Okay, there it is, the Samsung SDR5100N. That's how you replace the hard drive and also replace the battery backup. And let's go ahead and plug it in and see what happens.